Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the pet point on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the third option, the animate, at the upper side of the screen and select a picture from your gallery. You click to the animate button at the lower left corner of the screen and click to the first option, the pet. And you can add the pet point to your picture, and if you tap to the play button at the lower right corner of the screen, your picture is moved and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.